So today I'll show you how you can set the default style in your Google document. So I'm in the Google document file, the ultimate guide to AI productivity. So the first thing I need to do is to highlight the first sentence here and give it whatever style that I want. So I'm just going to increase the font size to 14, then the font type to Montserrat. I'll increase the font size to Montserrat normal, and I'll give it the color of red. So I will now modify the rest of the document. I would modify it to take the style that I just added. So I'll highlight the first sentence like this, and I'll go to format. I'll click on format, and I'll come to paragraph styles. Then I'll go to normal text. Then I'll click on update normal text to match. And as you can see, the rest of the document has taken the property of the first sentence. They are now everything now has Montserrat 14, and the color is red. So for us to now save it as default, what you need to do is to just highlight the first sentence, then come to format, click on format, then go to paragraph styles, then come to option, then click on save as my default styles. So basically, you've successfully saved this style as a different style. So what now happens, or the purpose of this, is that any document that you create afterwards would retain the style that you just added. So just come to file, let's test it out. Come to file, click on file, then come to new, then click on document, and to take you to a new document that you can now test out. Right? Network is a little bit unstable. So if I type anything, let's say hello and welcome. So as you can see, this has a different type of Montserrat, font size of 14, and the color is red. This property or style is taken from this file here, because we modify it. We added the file here, and we sort of make the style that we did here as a default style to our Google document. So this is basically how you set the default style in Google document. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.